you're a business owner, a fairly decent sized firm, a lot of people that are on the payroll. How do you keep morale up? Because I think a lot of people are worried that they're not going to be able to work because they haven't been, or maybe they have family members that have lost their jobs. But what are the things that you've done at the firm to help keep morale up?
Well, we're over communicating. We are having many Zoom meetings, both within teams. And, I think every lawyer, paralegal team is supposed to check in every day. We lawyers have a 9:30 meeting every morning. Just constant communication to let everyone know what's going on. And the other thing is, we were very proactive. I saw this coming. And so even before we had the orders, we had already bought the laptop, and we told people we're not planning on laying anyone off. I've drawn down money. We have enough money to operate for multiple months without layoffs. So that's what I'm trying to do to comfort people, let them know that I care about them, let them know we're not laying them off, and just hopefully they believe me.
Yeah, and as somebody who's kind of been on the downline of all that, it's been extremely helpful to have those daily meetings with just seeing everybody's face. We're all in it together, kind of thing. And I highly recommend every attorney out there have one or two, preferably two meetings with your paralegal or legal assistant or medical records clerk every day. And it, from my perspective, the morale has increased just knowing that we're all pushing to make things happen. So you have these meetings, and the tone of the meetings is really, we're just doing work. We're doing it a little bit differently, but we're laying out the things we have to get done that day. We're talking about the things that we did that day in the later meeting, and it takes your mind off all the craziness around you, and you can just focus on what we have to get done.
Yeah, and I think it's so important that communicate what everyone's committing to do that day, because it's really easy when you're working from home to go back and forth between just checking your email, being reactive, looking at social media, surfing the internet, watching the news. I mean, it's easy to get distracted. And I think when you've committed, I'm going to get this done today, and then you get it done today. And that's how, because we just have to go kind of an honor system on who's working, what their hours are. For hourly employees, they clock in and clock out remotely, but, we're not monitoring what they're doing every minute of the day. And so it's really the way we'll know is, are they getting the results they promise? And we just have to trust people enough that, look, we're doing the right thing. We're buying computers, we're bending over backwards so you can keep working, and so that you won't get laid off. And we just have to trust people that they're going to do their work when they're at home. And,
and whether it's made it to you or not, I know the staff is extremely grateful, and I think we're definitely going to be coming out ahead at the end of all this.
The other thing that we've done that I think is important that we do on a regular basis is we had a virtual happy hour. Whoever wanted to, last Friday at 4:30, they're on the clock still, but could pour a drink, and we all got together, the whole firm, on a big Zoom call and joked around and talked about anything other than work.
Exactly.
I just think that keeping that camaraderie and remembering that we're all on the same team is really important, because it can get really lonely working from home, and it can get really, people are scared right now. They're scared about their job, they're scared about their health and their family's health, they're scared about the economy. And I think the more we can do to make our team feel better and share our team, and the better off we're going to be.
No, I agree. And I think a lot of that is showing them that we can just jump right in and do the work. The technology might be a little bit different. The way we get it done might be a little bit different, but we're doing the same work.